Hello everyone, it's Susan with JS2 Generations of Glam, and today we are going to do a rapid fire review of Dermstore Beautyfix boxes for April, May, and June. We're tracking a total value of over $520, all from a subscription that only cost me $24.95 a month. In April, we have Clean Beauty Heroes. So here's April's. We have Clean Beauty Heroes like One Love Organics Cleansing Oil, and that's worth $45. In the May, they completely blew the budget out of the water with a $199 Mother's Day lineup featuring a huge $95 neck cream from Perricone MD. And in June, they have the June's box is worth a staggering $202. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to start with the April box. All right, so there's June. And so this is April. Here's the box right here. And the total value of the box is worth $126.90. So the first thing we have is One Love Organics Vitamin B Enzyme Cleansing Oil. So let's see, this will be right here. It's worth $45. And we're going to open it up and look at it. A nice glass bottle. And it says that it's a deeper cleanse with light exfoliation. It's an enzyme cleansing oil. And then we also got the Grown Alchemist, which is an excellent brand, balancing toner. I was low on toner, so I'm real happy to get some toner. So there's some Alchemist toner. So it says that you can use the toner morning and evening after you have cleaned your face, after you have done all your cleansing and everything. The next thing we have is Grown Alchemist. The next thing we have is BIOEFFECT EGF Serum, 3 milliliters, and that's worth $36. So the balancing toner was worth $30. So let's see if I can find the BIOEFFECT. So this is normally retails for $36. So I have never used this one. It's a CGF serum. And I don't know if I've used BIOEFFECT before. So then they also have the Rahua Hydration Shampoo Deluxe Mini. And then they also have a Rahua Hydration Conditioner Deluxe Mini. And it's worth $6. All right, so I've never used those. Let's see what they smell like. A very nice, light, pleasant smell. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I always like to try a new shampoo. Why not? And then the next thing we have is Ursa Major Essential Face Wipe. And it looks like I have 4 of that. So that's what it looks like. You have those little crinkly things in the box. So I have 3 of those, and they're worth $3.90. It says uses 4-in-1 face wipe. It cleans, exfoliates, soothes, and hydrates anytime to reboot tired or oily skin. These would be nice to take if you're traveling somewhere. So I will probably take these smaller things on my next trip instead of packing great big bulky things. All right, so that was the April box. We're just going to move straight ahead to the May box. All right. So our May's box was a Mother's Day kit. It had a total value of $199. So I'm going to show you the inside of the box. All right, and the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Cold Plasma Neck and Chest Broad Spectrum SPF 25. It is worth $95. Perricone MD. It is an excellent brand. So it comes with a little card in there too, just to let you know about the drug effects and the directions and all that. So that's nice. I'll definitely be using that. Next thing I have is also worth $59 is the Medic 8 Tetra Day Cream. I love the Medic 8. I have received other things from Medic 8 through this subscription before, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Just a nice glass bottle. Let's see if there's a smell. Just a ever so slight smell. And it's pretty thick and creamy. So you see it's not runny or anything. So let's see if it gives you any information about it. It's a silky, lightweight vitamin C day cream for daily hydration and visible skin radiance. I am looking forward to that. And they also gave me a little applicator for it too, so you don't have to put your fingers that are full of germs inside the product. All right, and so the next thing we have is Jane Iredale Smooth Affair Brightening Face Primer. So, and I don't have that in there, so it looks like maybe they didn't put the face primer in there. That's okay. We have next a DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. And so that's strange. I got something different from the Jane Iredale. It's not primer. It is hydrating cream lipstick. So I guess maybe they ran out of the primer and they put the lipstick inside instead. And that's okay with me. I'd actually rather have the lipstick because I have so much primer. This is the lipstick. And let's see. I'll put some on my... Oh, it's very pretty. I like it. And like I said, I'd rather have the lip balm. Is it lip balm? I think it's lipstick. So I like it, and it's clean beauty, so even better. So I don't know why I didn't get the primer, but they gave me the lipstick, and like I said, I'm fine with that. So back to the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. It's a 1 ounce deluxe size. I don't really have a price on it. And then finally, the La Roche-Posay Anthelos Tinted Mineral Zinc Sunscreen. It's just like a small sample size. And we're just going to go straight on into the June box. And the June box was worth $202. So you can't beat that either. So here is the June box. Look at all that product, and all of it is mostly full size. So look at that. Isn't that nice? So the Replenix is an age restore brightening moisturizer. It's full size, and it is worth $98, guys. $98, and that's it right there. That is just amazing. I'm very happy with that. It says it's a restorative brightener enriched with the age-defying properties of niacinamide, and it helps restore your skin's youthful glow and appearance. So next thing we have is first a Beauty Whole Body Deodorant Cream full size. So that is 3 ounces. It's worth $20. And I would imagine it's like the Lume, because I use the Lume, and I get the creams and I get the sprays. I really like it. I can use the Lume and it lasts forever. So I would imagine that this is probably going to be the same kind of thing. And it really... So it has no smell at all. So that's even a better thing. So it's not going to clash with your perfumes or anything. So I am very happy to get that. And next thing we have is SkinCeuticals AGE Interrupter Advanced Anti-Wrinkle Cream Deluxe Sample. So that's going to be this right here. So it says that you can see a visible improvement in fine lines after using it for just 12 weeks? Yes, after using it for 12 weeks. It's an awful small thing, so you'd have to probably buy more to really see it. But I've never tried it before, and I look forward to trying it. Next thing we have is from HoliFrog, Tashmoo Water Lily Nourishing Milky Wash, and that's also a deluxe sample. Is that it? So that must be it. So they gave me a few things that are a little bit different too. So they also gave me a HoliFrog Tashmoo Water Lily Nourishing Milky Wash. This is definitely bigger than a sample size. This is huge. So I got a great big one, and I'm here for that. One moment, I'm going to find out how much it's worth. So guys, this is a full size, and this is worth $54. It's named after Tashmoo Water Lily Nourishing Milk Wash, and it's a limited edition. It retails at $54. So that is just awesome. I'm very happy with that. I've never used it before. The next thing they gave me was a Travel Side Grown Alchemist Smoothing Serum. So I have so many serums, y'all. It'll probably be a while before I get to that one. But since it's in a small bottle, I will probably take it if I'm traveling somewhere. And then I finally got the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer with a 45. And I am definitely all for using any kind of sunscreen, anything like that, because you can never take good enough care of your skin. And so that's all I have for these boxes. So they really turned up the heat from April to June. If you can only walk away with one of these luxury items from any of these 3 boxes, would it be the $95 Perricone neck cream? Would it be the $98 full-size Replenix moisturizer? Or would it be, or would you walk away with the HoliFrog? I don't know. There are so many things. There's so much in here. It's just actually awesome boxes. I can't complain. For the price of everything that you pay for it, you only pay $25 a month. You're only paying $25 a month. So you can't beat it. So I will go ahead and put information about the subscription. I'll give you information about the subscriptions, and I will also put a link in there if you're interested in going and subscribing yourself. Like I said, the subscription's only $24.95 a month. Can't beat it. I got tons of product for $24.95 a month. Definitely pays for itself. And that's all I have. My name is Susan. Like I said before, I'm not affiliated with Beautyfix by Dermstore. I am just a person that likes to open subscription boxes. And I am looking for followers. So please follow and like. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.